Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a bench vise. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. First and foremost, this is a bench vise, okay? Now, you'll notice that it's not actually screwed into the bench, and that is not generally how you would install it, okay? Now, you can use it like this when it's not screwed into anything to still hold something, but generally speaking, if you want to secure it to a specific spot, what you're going to do is you're going to use the mounting holes to screw it into the table or the bench. Now, this is my dad's bench vise, and it is quite old, and we've always used it. However, we've never secured it to a single spot. So like I said, I would recommend that you screw it down and mount it into the bench or the table, but you can definitely use it when it's not mounted in. You can still use it because it will still grip something, okay? Especially if it's a heavy one like this. Now, when you do mount it, I do recommend that you mount it where it overhangs a little bit off of the table. First and foremost, it makes it easier to turn this without having to shift it back and forth. If you have to shift it every time you turn it halfway, it's going to get pretty annoying. Whereas if you mount it hanging off ever so slightly, like this, in this position right here, you can just turn this around and around. In addition, if you have anything that's large, okay, you can mount it like this, because anything that's large that hangs over, that you're grabbing onto, will have the ability to hang over. Whereas if you mount it in the middle of the bench, it can only hang over this much, okay? Now, once you've mounted it, it's actually really easy to use. I'll show you exactly how to use it. Basically, if you rotate this in one direction, it's going to tighten it up. So I'm turning it clockwise. You can see that the grip right here, the teeth are closing together, okay? And if I turn it counterclockwise, you can see that the teeth are loosening up right here. So you can see the teeth are going further and further apart. So that's exactly how to use it. You essentially rotate this and it closes the teeth in together or opens the teeth further apart. And you can grip onto anything pretty much. So what I will do is I'll just find something quickly. I'm just looking at what's lying around over here. I think I see a little picture hook container. So if I grab this container here, it's a little, I need to go a little bit wider. Okay, I'm just going to move that like that, but I need to go a little bit wider. So I would loosen the teeth. Let's say I wanted to hold the picture hook container. I would place the picture hook container right in there. Okay, and then I would tighten it up. Okay, and you want to tighten it up until it holds it nice and securely. Now, I'm not going to continue tightening with this because I don't want to crack the plastic over here of the actual picture hanging container. However, with that being said, you can tighten it up as much as you need to and as much as you feel comfortable with. But as you can see, it's gripping onto the container quite tightly. Look at this. Like I'm using the container to lift the whole thing. It really grips on nice and tightly. It is an awesome tool, and I wanted to show you exactly how to use it in this video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.